Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and this is the next fantastic video where me and my brother showing you fantastic nail design and gel nails works. I hope guys my videos are useful for you, and because a lot of subscribers wrote down that my lessons help them to improve their skills and even earn much more money than before, because clients are happy with such fantastic results. And this time guys, we will speak very interesting topic. Are you interested in statistics, and is it will be interesting for you to know in what country nail technicians are more richer or more rich or spend more on their works. I thought about it, but the problem is that we have different taxes in our countries, and payments life are different in each country, and it's not easy to compare for example United States and Russia, because for example in United States the person should pay more for the flat products in supermarkets are more expensive than in Russia, and they have a lot of different payments and taxes. But one day I faced with a very interesting statistic. It's the statistic of the price of Big Mac. This means how much this product costs in different countries, and the price of this product also includes the work to make this Big Mac. It means that a particular McDonald's pay for work, not customers, bakers or any other payments, and it can say about economic situation in a particular country. So I have counted in Russia one set of gel nails or one set of gel polish nails with the nail design. In general it costs about 10 Big Macs. So we can say that after making gel nails, my brother will go to the McDonald's, and with this money, with the money he got from the client for this set of nails, he can buy 10 Big Macs and I think it's enough to provide him food for the all day. And I have only one question, guys. Please tell me, maybe all of you, or maybe a lot of people know about the prices of this product in your country, in your city, and you can count how many Big Macs you can buy on the set of nails you have made. I mean set of nails with the nail design. Let's imagine, for example, this set of nails we're applying right now. I mean infill of gel nails. Okay, so you can count it, and you can publish your calculation down in the comments. So it's very interesting for me, because maybe someday I decide that it's not profitable to live in Russia, and maybe I will go somewhere to Canada, for example, because I can buy 100 Big Macs for one set of nails, and that's great. And maybe you decide to to visit Russia and maybe to stay here, to settle down here, and maybe it's more better for you. So please, let's talk about it down in the comments. What do you think about the prices? I mean, what do you think? Is it enough for you? This price, is these nails costs? Are these nails cost its prices, or it's very cheap for such set of nails? I mean, according to your country prices, are 10 Big Macs are enough for this set of nails or not? Sorry guys, my English doesn't allow me to give you some detailed information about this topic. I hope you understand me. And now we are coming back to the nail design, and you can use for creating this red nails the special color of gel polish of Christmas collection, Russian red color. It's available in my store now. It's amazing. You can use the simple brush, flat brush, for applying this gel polish under cuticles or very close to cuticles. And this time I'm gonna show you very simple and amazing nail design. As you can see, we have drawn diagonal French manicure on ring and middle fingers, and we curved it with top coat, and right on the tacky layer on the top coat, or you can remove the tacky layer. You can draw simple dots using the dotting tool with a white Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint. I think this is the best product for dotting nail designs. And don't forget to cure it in LED lamp, and after that you can cover it with the thick top coat, or you can leave it as it is, because it creates 3D effect, and gel paint will stay on for a long time. And I think this design is very simple, and every nail technician can do it without any problems. Just try hard. And as you noticed in my last videos, I'm publishing simple nail designs. I'm not gonna to be a poser to show you something unrealistic things that not easy to copy. I think that it's easy enough, and you can learn a lot from Andrew and from me. And now we are covering nails with top coat. After removing the tacky layer, shape them from each side using the file. And now after that we are going to the McDonald's to eat some Big Macs. 10 Big Macs, 5 for me and 5 for my brother. We are happy. And what do you think about this nail design? It's beautiful. The color is amazing. If you like that, click that like button, and don't forget to leave your thoughts of prices of our work down in the comments. See you next time. I love you guys. Bye.